This is a 6-pack of a short and gorgeous butterfly and flower decorated garden fence I was sent to review from Yowcom. So let me show you a closer look. These are gorgeous. They are colored on one side, black on the reverse, solid metal. This is like a painted kind of thing, so it's not a see-through or stained glass kind of effect. But I love that it has the two sides, so if you like the black more than the color, or you like color more than the black, you can face it one way or the other. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panels. Each panel is about 16.5 inches from bottom to top, and then you'll insert this into the ground, almost a foot, almost 12 inches wide. It's not just decorative, but it can also help as a barrier for digging and animals and stuff like that. There are 6 panels, but it doesn't come with any connectors. So if you want to connect them in a circle or anything like that, you're gonna have to use your own devices. I recommend black zip ties are just gonna blend right in. You just connect and then snip them short, or you can just stick them in anywhere in your yard, in your garden, along your fence, wherever. How beautiful. Oh, I love these. They're gorgeous. They are thin metal, but just sticking them in as is, they're pretty sturdy. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes. There's the back side. That's cool too, the black. I like both sides. Super cute. I love these, and I know you will too.